Hello traders, this is Day Trader Matt with businesswithtrading.com doing a Emini Trading Room recap for Wednesday the 4th of June. And today was another interesting day in the markets. We had a little gap down, some chop, move higher, some more chop, and another move higher, and some more chop. Today we had 3 trades. We were 3-0 and pulled 3.25 points out of the market. So, nice day coming from 2 really bad days. So that's definitely a positive thing we can look at today. And all of our trades were successful. And our maximum profit potential was very close to our actual results, meaning that we weren't scared traders. A lot of times, especially new traders, will come into the market, have a bad day, and then become very skittish. And I worked with a guy a couple years ago, and he was the type of person where if the market goes a little bit in your favor, take the trade off. Just exit. For example, let's say he got long up here. We'll say he got long up here. The market went against him for a little bit. Came back up, chopped around a little bit. Well, on this bar here, it goes in your favor. You get out. We'll say 3 ticks. Just get out 3 ticks, and the market keeps going. He would leave so much profit on the table. And it was difficult just because he had a lot of psychological baggage that was difficult to overcome. And that's what I was talking about in the last video is the last couple of videos is that trading is very, very psychological. There are many ways to trade, many ways to make money, but can you deal with all the aspects, the emotional aspects, and am I right, am I wrong aspects, and just so much stuff. So anyway, hopefully that made a little bit of sense. Let's get into what we actually did today. Today we took a short right here, which we ended up taking profit as the market rolled back up, so right about here. So very quick trade. Watched this a little bit, watched it pop up, and as it popped up, we ended up getting long down here, and we took profits up here. After that, watch the market come back down and chop around a little, and then it started to take off and go higher. We weren't able to get in on this move here. It's just one of those things. The market didn't give us an entry. It is what it is, and then it took off again. We did get long down here, which we ended up taking off up here just because it didn't really look like it was going to continue up, and it ended up not at this time. However, I did talk about a trade, and the market did buy up right into 27. I was looking at 27.5. That's what I was telling everybody. Let me zoom out again here, actually. And that's what it did. It hit 27 right here. It came back down. It did hold above 24, and has bought up a little bit into the close. I just have trading hours only on here, and it was very interesting. So you could have gotten a couple more trades out of this actually. So it ended up being a pretty good afternoon as well, if anybody stuck around and traded that. If not, it doesn't really matter. So anyway, hopefully you got something out of what I was talking about, made a little bit of sense to you. And you can always leave comments below the video. There's no such thing as a dumb question. If you've made any trading mistakes in the past, it is what it is. We've all made mistakes. I've made a lot of mistakes. Just look at the past couple days. Those were awful. Nobody would want to relive those days, especially me. But it just shows that, we're all human. We all make mistakes. We all have good days. We all have bad days. So if you want to share an experience, feel free. A lot of people like to email me, support@businesswithtrading.com. That's fine too. However you want to communicate is fine with me. That's what I'm here for, is to try to be a resource and, point people in the right direction. Because I think that's what we all, you know, want, is to go into the right direction as far as trading goes. Maybe I'm the right guy, maybe I'm not the right guy, but, we'll know that from talking. And that's, really what the great thing about life is. Everybody's different, everybody has different taste, and not everybody likes the S&P. That's fine. It's one of my favorite markets, and that's cool too. Everyone has different styles, different things they like, and it makes a great world. But anyway, hopefully it made sense what I was talking about. You got something out of it. Thanks for watching. Have an excellent rest of your day, and I'll see you back here in the markets. Thank you.